So today, Ride, Rev and Reviews is up at A1 Motorcycle Training and Sales. Great little outlet for having your bike serviced, buying some equipment, doing some training, or even buying a bike or a scooter. So I'll give you a little look around today. So I'm here to pick up an helmet and some boots and some jeans, what I've bought from Paul up at A1. So if you want any clothing, is now open while the end of September, and you can get a discount off your gear while he's open. After he closes and retires, it'll be the end of an era. So pop up and see Paul. If he's got something on the shelf for you, you'll get a good discount off it. If he needs to order you something, he'll always do you a good price. If you need your bike servicing, come up and see him. We'll give you a little look around his workshop and talk to Paul. And so today, as you can see, I'm also giving a shout out to Neil and Kev up at Doncaster Motorcycles down in Bowlby. They do our MOTs for me and a few repairs and such like. So, yep, keep posted. I'm just going to do a little unveiling of a new helmet and some boots and jeans that I've bought. So, see you in a short while. Hi, welcome to another episode of Ride, Rev Reviews. So this is not a review, this is just an unboxing for some gear that I've bought from Paul, or Bros as is known as nickname, at A1 Motorcycles and Training up in Harworth, Burcoats. So we'll see. I think this might be a pair of boots, and this could be a helmet and maybe a pair of boots, and there's also a pair of jeans which I'll fetch over, which I've already taken out the packet, but you can see them. So these are a pair of Oxford AAA rated jeans. Once I've worn them and tried them out, I shall do a review on them. But as you can see, they've got armour in the hips and armour in the knees, and it's the Ghost armour, so it's nice and thin, not uncomfortable. They are a Kevlar denim, so they're nice and stretchy and AAA rated for protection. So these were £198. There was a discount with Bros. He's offering discounts at the moment. We've got 25% off these. These were to order. But if you do want some clothing from Bros, he has got some jackets, still some helmets, some gloves, and he's offering 40% off any of the gear at the moment, because he's actually retiring at the end of September. So if you want your bike servicing, if you need any repairs doing, or you just want to buy some clothing, now's a great time while he's offering a nice discount. He also does batteries, oils, chains, lubes, as well as some alarm disc locks and also chain locks. So if you want to come and get in touch with Bros on, I'll post right now, I'll just post his number up for you and his email. If you want to give him a call, he'll help you out. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open this one first and see what we've got. I'll just pop the jeans to one side. So we're not getting any sponsorship. I didn't get a free knife off Victronics. It's a Swiss Army knife. They didn't offer me one for free, but I thought I'd use it and give them a plug because it's an absolutely superb knife. Really serves me well for camping and going away on holiday. So, and using for things like this. So I'll have a look, see what we've got in here. Yep, a couple of pair of boots and an helmet. So let's have a look. That's a sharp knife. I got too excited there and sliced 2 fingers open. Anyway, we're not worried about that. Us bikers were made of tough stuff. So it just shows how sharp this knife is. I can't actually remember what boots I ordered. So these look like a pair of Oxfords. Well packed. So like I say, I'll do an actual review on the boots once I've worn them. But for now, this is just sort of an unveiling. And these are a pair of ankle boots with a reinforced toe. Yeah, they look nice. And they retailed, oh, got some blood on them. These retailed at about 90, £100, around that mark. And Ross gave me 25% off them. So they were a good deal. So I ordered those and he got them in for me. So if you want to place any orders, you can. Ross will get stuff in for you. So as you can see, a nice pair of boots then. That's package 1, right? Just bear with me, I'm going to get a little bit of tissue. So I've just got blood all over them boots. That's a very sharp knife, that. Right, so let's bring in this Oxford box and see what we've got here. Yeah, it looks like a nice, another pair of boots in here I can see. I just fancy, I've got a few pair of sort of higher boots and some brown boots. I wanted a nice pair of black boots, so what I've got here is some nice Alpine Stars. Just bring that along and we'll open these up and let you have a look at them. So these, oh, while we're on, we'll just give Eves Merton's Dreams Trust, Eves Trust, a little plug. It's a Doncaster based charity that provides respite and care for families and victims of cancer, and it's for people in the DN postcode. Really worthwhile cause. So we've got a nice pair of Alpine Star, more sporty styled boots here. Again, I should give these a review. These were, I can't be sure of the price, but once I come to the review stage, I'll give you an exact cost. I think they were around 170 quid, 170 pounds with discount, about 130. So these are more of a summer boot. They do look a bit small, them actually, but Euro 42, US 9. So that should be around a size 8 in the UK, I believe. So they should fit. But they do look small, but then I think it's probably just from the styling. So we've got a nice reinforced area here, and they are meshed, so they're nice and cool. We've got a bit for the slider there if you're into putting your bike down low. So they're a nice pair of boots. And then last but not least, I actually bought a new helmet. So I've had a HJC flip and I really like the quality of it, so I bought later down the line I bought a HJC RPHA, it was the RPHA 70, which was a nice carbon mix helmet, which I really like. So I've had that for a year or so, so now I've bought a HJC RPHA 12 carbon, black carbon helmet. So I'll give that a whirl. Like I say, once I've tried the helmet out, I'll do a review on it so you can see exactly what I think to the helmet comparatively at the side of my other HJC helmets. This is all about the reveal. So okay, from what I understand, inside that box is just the information card on the helmet. And what we have is a light smoke visor that comes with it. Silica gel, and then the helmet, which is incredibly light, really light. It's actually got a clear visor on. I believe you click the button down to click the visor up. It doesn't have an internal visor, but it does come with a smoke visor, which is really easy clip off with a little button at the side here. It's actually got quite a number of vents and outlets for airflow. That is the lightest helmet I have ever owned. Let me just try this on. Let's take these glasses off. These are actually fishing glasses by Ridge Monkey. Really, really nice glasses. I highly recommend those. I don't get any free products with any of this, and as you know, if you follow my channel, you'll know that I don't do it for money, because I actually put music on, which stops me from monetizing the channel. So let's have a little look. That is incredible. Really, really nice fit. A little bit tight at the minute, but it will bed in. That's really nice. That's a beautiful helmet, and it's actually a gold rated helmet. It's actually a race helmet, this one. So it's really light at 1350 grams. And like I say, it's gold stamped by the British Motorcycle Sport Federation. So yeah, like I say, what I'll do is I'll do a comparison with a new jacket I've bought, and I'll do a pair of jeans. I've actually got some new Triumph gloves as well, 2 pairs, one in brown, one in black. So what I'll do is I'll do a little review on all of those products, having once used them and tried them for you. So yeah, we'll look forward to the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to give Paul a shout up at A1 Motorcycles and Training. He's a good kid and he'll look after you.